everyone, and welcome to WIS News. I'm Aman.
And I'm Stella. We've got an exciting lineup of news segments today, brought to you by your very own Grade 5 student reporters. Get ready for some inspiring stories.
First, let's take a look at the adrenaline-pumping primary sports day.
Our field reporters are on the scene. What's happening out there?
We're here at the Lower Primary Sports Day. It's a day of sunshine, pure joy. It's an absolute blast. These little ones are enjoying the sponge relay, while these little ones are enjoying the hurdles. It's a sea of smiles and giggles.
That was just adorable.
It's fantastic to see our young students having so much fun whilst learning about teamwork and sportsmanship. And now let's witness the Upper Primary Sports Day. I'm in the middle of the action, and now let's see what's happening here. Go Joshua!
Let's go Lions, let's go! Let's go Caracos, let's go!
It's an absolute frenzy of sportsmanship. Oh yes, the spirit of competition is running high. It's incredible to see our students pushing their limits. Yes, they take their sport seriously.
Thank you all for joining us today.
That sounds like an absolute blast. Sports Day is all about teamwork and camaraderie. Our little athletes are giving it their all. Good job, everyone.
Now let's dive into our next segment. We sent reporters Annabelle and Amy to ask students around the school what it means to be knowledgeable.
Annabelle and Amy, what did you find out?
In today's special segment, we're going to explore what it means to be knowledgeable in the eyes of students.
And who better to tell us than the students themselves? So what does it mean to be a knowledgeable student?
Be kind. Listening to the teacher and being responsible. That you are listening to the teacher when the teacher's talking. You should act good to the teachers and not be mean to the teachers. When you know a lot of things, you do your work correctly.
To be a good kid, to listen to everybody, to the teacher. The teachers is say, when you don't, you might get very sad, but it means that you have to be caring for other kids. You have to listen so you can have lots of knowledge in your brain, so you could be knowledgeable. It's also so you grow up nice and you get a job. Some seem like when someone is being they don't know their words, or they don't understand, you can explain.
I think it means to be like curious but be smart at the same time. Ask some questions. People like sometimes you know what something means, but sometimes you don't really understand what something means.
When you know how to do multiplication, division, write explanation notes, and information notes.
Knowledge means to know stuff and to share your ideas. You can listen to instructions and follow instructions during class.
Knowledgeable means like what you know and what other people know, and knowledgeable means like you think before you do something. Yeah, that's what I think.
For me, I would say that being a knowledgeable student is not just being academically inclined with everything you do, but also being socially aware, emotionally aware, and all that stuff. So I think being knowledgeable is a wide scope of stuff.
So being a knowledgeable student to me is being able to understand and comprehend situations, and also having the knowledge of certain, let's say, aspects in life, and not just in life, also in studies, like in certain subjects like math and science. Yeah.
To be knowledgeable is to communicate with friends, and if you don't understand something, you communicate with them and share your opinion, and you can try to get that information to be more knowledgeable.
Means when you're able to understand what's around you, and you're able to listen to other people's opinions and like share your own opinion.
Those are all great points, WIS kids.
And that wraps up this thought-provoking segment.
And how students can become knowledgeable. Thanks everyone. Back to you, Aman and Stella.
Aman, it's incredible to see our peers so eager to learn and help others learn too.
Our school is always striving to be environmentally conscious, and that's what our third segment is all about. Sustainable Schools Day.
Tia and Jaylee are our eco-reporters. What's the buzz, Tia and Jaylee?
Good day, everyone. We're here to chat with some fantastic students.
We're going to talk about ideas for a more sustainable WIS.
Let's get started.
First up, we're talking about the basics.
Which is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Grade 5A.
How can we do this in our
together?
school?
We should encourage using reusable items, like this water bottle and lunch container instead of disposable ones.
And we need more recycling bins around the school. Just like this recycling box, so students can easily recycle paper and plastic.
We must switch off the light when we leave the room.
For energy conservation, we have to make use of the natural light. Make use of the natural light instead of the artificial light.
We need to have more gardens and green spaces like this one. It's very clean.
To be sustainable, we have to plant more trees like these.
That's incredible. It's vital that we all do our part to take care of our planet.
And now it's time for our monthly roundup of all the good things that happened in our school this month.
We've seen student achievements, community involvement, and more. Let's celebrate these moments.
when we come together as a school community.
Absolutely, Aman. And that's all for today's WIS News.
Thank you for joining us and celebrating the remarkable events and achievements happening in our school.
Stay tuned for more exciting news in the future. And remember to stay curious, stay global, and keep making a positive impact. Goodbye.